What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can save your Instagram reels to your gallery. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to go to your Instagram. After going to Instagram, what you need to do, you have to go to your profile. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every step that I'm going to show you so that you can download any reel from Instagram to your gallery. So what you need to do to download your Instagram reel from your to your gallery, you have to go to on reels option on your profile. After that you have to go to on your reels that you want to download. After going to your reel, you have to click on this third option like share button here. You have to click on this. Then you have to click on download. Here is the option called download. You have to click on this download option. Then your reel video will start downloading. So after that you can find your Instagram reels to your download gallery. So this is how you can download your Instagram reel to your gallery. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.